Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see different average mechanisms available in inSis and how to use them. We can calculate average by two ways. One is by value average and another by time average. Value average is a simple average of all values in a given period. That is, if there are 60 values between the time interval, it simply takes the average of all values. In case of time average, the raw values are interpolated to equally distribute the space by the scan frequency of the tag and they are average. It is going to create a snapshot within the interval. For example, if you want to calculate one day average, the scan frequency of the tag is 1 minute, it will have 1440 samples. It will take average of that values, so basically it interpolate within that interval. There are three ways to calculate average in inSis. One is average aggregate. Generally, aggregate history is stored for every 15 minutes and 1 hour interval in our backend. To calculate this, we use value average mechanism. Average metric. To calculate this, we can use value average or time average mechanism. This we can select in tag settings. Third is summary options average. To calculate this, we also use value average mechanism. We can find this in info view settings by enabling summary option. Now let us see how we can use this option. Open the info view page, select any tag and select any time interval. First, we will see the summary average. Let's enable summary option. And select average row. Enable raw data. And click get info data. A summary average uses value average mechanism. It takes all the data available between the interval and they are averaged. Now let us see average metric option. We have two options here as we discussed earlier. Let's select value average first. Default is nothing but the value average. Ensure the interpolate is off. Turn off the raw data and click get info view. Here we are getting the same value that you have got using summary average option because both implements value average mechanism. Now let's see time average. We are getting the same results because all values are available at scan frequency interval. If some data is not available, then it will interpolate those results and calculate the average. In most cases, such as calculating average of process parameters, quality parameters, we go for value average method. We can go for time average if the data is coming at irregular intervals to smooth out the fluctuations. Thank you.